Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. So in gold US dollar currency pairs, I am in daily time frame, and when we look at the price action, as I had shared in my yesterday's analysis, the current trend is still in a bullish trend, trading within this bullish channel pattern in daily time frame. And when we look at the highs it has gone, it tested the resistance level of 1826, then we have noticed the price action to fall on the bearish side retracement. In the past also it has tested the resistance level of 1787 and 1811. And all this time we have noticed the price action to trend on the bullish side. Every time it retraced, we have noticed it to make a new highs. And this time also, if the price action doesn't break the previous low, which is going to be around 1768, we can expect the same trend to continue in daily time frame. And even if the price action breaks the support level of 1768, we can expect it to take support around the support level of 1736, and only when the price action breaks this support level of 1736, it will be the bearish side trend reversal in daily time frame. So even if the price action breaks the support level of 1768, this will only be breaking the trend line of the bullish channel pattern. It is not a bearish side trend reversal in daily time frame. So the present bearish trend in daily time frame can be considered as a retracement. It is not a bearish trend reversal in daily time frame. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1736, next level of support is going to be around 1713, 1689, 1662 and 1615. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Friday, December 16th. We have high impact in news for euro related currency pair at 1:45 p.m. At 2 p.m. also we have high impact in news for euro related currency pairs, and at 3 p.m. we have high impact in news for British pound related currency pairs, and at 8:15 p.m. we have high impact in news for US dollar related currency pairs. Since we have lots of high impact in news for major currency pairs, we can expect lots of volatility in gold also. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. Again in hourly time frame also we are noticing the price action to be trending on the bullish trend. It has not broken the previous low of 1768, although it is in a bearish trend for now. So if the bearish trend continues and if the price action breaks the support level of 1768, next support is going to be the bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line, and if the price action breaks the support line, the bullish channel pattern will become invalid, which means that we can expect further fall on the bearish side retracement. And if the price action bounces back from this support line from the bullish channel pattern, it will be the continuation of this bullish channel pattern, which means the bullish trend will continue in hourly time frame also. So for now the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1781 and support level of 1768. And if the price action bounces back from this support level of 1768 on the bullish side retracement, next level of resistance is going to be around 1790, 1798, 1803, 1808, 1815 and 1825. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1768, it will be breaking the bullish channel pattern support line also, which means that next level of support is going to be around 1758. Again draw a trend line or a resistance line to understand the current trend of the price action. So once the price action breaks this resistance line, you can consider entering on the bullish side retracement. Otherwise, it is advised to continue trading on the bearish side. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. So in 30 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to be trending on a bearish trend sharply. So if the bearish trend continues, next level of support from the higher time frame is going to be around 1768. And if the price action bounces back from the support level of 1768, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1778, 1788, 1796, 1802, 1807, 1813, 1818 and 1824. Here in between we have the higher time frame resistance level also, which is around 1810. So again wait for the price action to break this trend line if you want to freshly enter on the bullish side retracement, buy side, or continue trading on the bearish side as long as the price action is bouncing back from this resistance line. So traders, that's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any feedbacks regarding this video, please leave it in the comment section.